So for this project I'm gonna use two colors, which is the dark pink and the blush pink, and a 4mm crochet hook. So I'll start with the dark pink color. I will chain 4. I will join to form a circle. I'll chain 3, 2 double crochet in the circle. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the circle. Chain 2, 3 double crochet again in the circle. Chain 2, last 3 double crochet in the circle. Now chain 2 and join. So this is the beginning of a granny square. So basically what we're gonna do, we're making first a granny square, 6 rows of granny square, and then we will turn into the hat. So if you know how to make the granny square, you can skip this step and go to the next one, or else you follow the rest. So chain 3 for row 2, 2 double crochet in the space. Now in every corner, like from here, I'm gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now in the last corner where we started, we're gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and join. This is row 2 of the granny square. Now I'm gonna show you row 3 and then we'll keep repeating row 3 because that's what you need to know. The rest is the same. So now what's the difference in row 3 onwards? Now the corners stay the same. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and those spaces which will be increased in every row, you only do 3 double crochet. So chain 3, add 2 more double crochet. This is the first corner. Now this space, only 3 double crochet. Now the corner again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. All in one corner, the usual one. Now again the space, same, 3 double crochet only. So we'll be repeating the same till row 6. And then I'll come back and show you from row 7 onwards what we will be doing. So here I have finished 6 rows of the granny square. Now we're changing color before I show you how we're gonna do the next step. So I fasten off here. Now I'm joining my new color. I can join here from the last point. So this is a space, it's not a corner, just to be sure. Oops. Join. Okay. I can later hide the thread while working. So I'll chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. I'll continue the same with the other spaces till I get to the corner. So now the space is completed, and now I am on my first corner. So the question is how I'm gonna turn the granny square into a hat. So previously we used to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corner. Now the corner will be considered a normal space, and we're only gonna do 3 double crochet. So in all the spaces now, including the corners, we're gonna work 3 double crochets only throughout the next row. So I'm gonna do between 10 and 13 rows from now on till the end of my hat, depending on how big I want it. So now this is how it looks like. I will continue the same as I have explained till the end, and then I'll show you the final result. So this is the final look of the hat, and I ended up using 3 shades of pink, and I used the dark pink to finish off. So the total number of the rows is 20. So 20 rows of granny stripes. We started with a granny square of 6 rows. Then we continued, like I showed you, with the rounds of stripes for the rest of the work. It's as easy as I have explained it, very easy to achieve. This is ideal for summer, to wear any time, anywhere, for the beach, for the evenings, anywhere you want. I hope you like it and you find it useful. I'll link in the description box some of the scarves I did previously for summer looks as well. So if you want to have a look, go ahead and see. They're very easy to achieve as well. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.